Welcome to the Chinese Homestyle cooking channel. Today we are going to share how to make dumplings from scratch. This is part 1 of a 5-part series. You can find the links to the other parts in the video description below. In this video, we will show how to make the dough for dumpling wrappers. Because making dumplings is a slightly complicated process, it is commonly made by the entire family as a bonding experience. We highly recommend making dumplings with your friends or family as a fun cooking activity. We are going to start off with 2 cups of all-purpose flour in a large mixing bowl. Next, prepare a 3/4 cup of room temperature water. Slowly add a little bit of the water to the flour, mixing the entire time. You don't want to add too much water at once. Instead, by adding a little bit at a time, you can incorporate the water better with the flour so that it starts clumping together. Add more water as needed until the entire 3/4 cup has been incorporated into the flour. The flour will still look a little loose after you add in the entire 3/4 cup. You do not need to add any more water. Use your hand and knead the dough until it comes together. The dough will not look completely smooth. This is perfectly normal for this stage. Once all of the flour is incorporated, cover with a lid or saran wrap. Let the dough rest for 30 minutes. After the dough has rested for 30 minutes, knead slightly for about a minute or 2. You don't want to over-knead the dough as it will make the dough strengthen, making it harder to roll out the wrappers. Cover and let the dough rest for another 30 minutes. Afterwards, knead for another 1 to 2 minutes. At this stage, the dough should look quite smooth. After the second kneading, cover again and let rest for another hour. While your dough is resting, continue to part 2 of this series on making your dumpling filling. We have provided both a vegetarian option of chives and eggs, as well as a meat option on ground pork and onions.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the Chinese Homestyle cooking channel. 谢谢。